So, let's talk. I haven't given you all a formal, you, the viewer on YouTube, I've not given you a full in-depth story about where have I been, what I've been doing. So that's what this YouTube video right here is going to be meant to be. This is a really good video if you just want to do laundry or something in the background and just have this playing. Or if you want to just sit here and watch it while I have B-roll playing somewhere, this works well too. So I haven't done a good job of uploading here on YouTube. I mean, let's be honest, I haven't. I've been focusing on TikTok, I've been focusing on my podcast, I've been focusing on LinkedIn, Instagram, everywhere else but YouTube. And so I know the YouTube community here isn't too happy. And so let me explain where I've been and what I've been doing. Like what I did to the new camera angles that I'm doing, I learned this new filmmaking technique. Anyways, so the first thing that comes to my mind about where have I been is I finished my business degree. Knock that out. Sting tassel. I just thought this would add to the video. But yeah. Finished my business degree. Now my hair's gonna be all jacked up. There you go. Finished that business degree and finished as magna cum laude. So that's like the second highest in honors. And obviously I didn't expect that, but you know, business came easy to me in college. So yeah, a lot of the time that I wasn't uploading, I was focusing on my full-time last semester of college. And now I've basically been a full-time entrepreneur. Now, so the second thing that I finished with my college was at one point I was working 2 jobs at the same time. I was working a job at Starbucks since November, and it was meant to be kind of a job to get me income, a job to basically eat dirt in a way, not really, but like to kind of just learn what it's like not to get paid much and do a lot of labor and do a lot of work. And that decision was really smart of me because I feel like I got a new perspective of what I needed, and I got it. And so that was kind of a temporary job to transition to a job at the airport. And the airport, I ended up getting the job at the airport. The airport was always something that I just dreamed of. It was always something that I wanted to have. And there was a point where there was like 2 or 3 weeks where I was working 2 jobs while finishing up my last semester of college. And that was extremely difficult. I remember the first day at my job, I woke up at the job at the airport. I had to wake up at like 5 in the morning to be there to start my first shift at 6 a.m. and work from 6 a.m. to 12. And then I had a Starbucks shift from like 4 to like 10 or 4 to 9. Like I was just exhausted that day. And so like I even kind of stopped posting as much content, even on my other platforms, just because I was doing so much at once. Here on YouTube, it's kind of been a culprit of that. I was really struggling at one point, but I knew it was for the better because I was getting my dream job with the airport. And months later, this is back in March, I have been so happy with it. But the world kind of collapsed with the virus that I'm not gonna say here on YouTube just so I don't get demonetized, even though I don't get ads yet. I was in that frame of doing 2 jobs at once, then transitioning to 1, and then the pandemic came. I wasn't able to work my job at the airport. So because I was on the front lines, the airport said, okay, we'll basically give you PTO, paid time off, basically allowed me to finish my business degree and kind of go full time as an entrepreneur / content creator since like May, basically. Because I finished my degree in May. So I've had all this time to kind of go in and hustle and do my content creation and go live and create podcasts and just go hard and kind of be like a full-time entrepreneur for once. And since I couldn't travel, I decided to get in one of these. Drones, which I do want to create some content on here. I'll probably have some B-roll up here of some of my best like shots. Angles and views and things like that I've created, but I've been busy. Like I literally got a new microphone as well, so the audio will be even better. So yeah, there's been little small additions, little things that have been going on in the background, but now it's like I have been full-time and now I can kind of do the things that I want to do instead of having to go to college and being stuck. Now I'm in a career that I want to be in, which I can't go back to work until the first week of July, but I still now have time so I can be kind of a full-time entrepreneur. And that's exactly what I wanted to be in this position, and it's been amazing. So let's talk about what I want you to really expect from me, because it's kind of all over the place and I'm trying to kind of get this figured out and get this going again here on YouTube. I have a lot of trip reports planned for June 26th. I have a flight for July 7th. I have a trip that I've already recorded going down to Orlando with Allegiant there and back. I still have another flight review from New York LaGuardia to Knoxville. So expect flight reviews coming. Maybe expect some more vlogs. Maybe expect some more these kind of style videos. I don't know. I'm planning on just kind of trying everything on YouTube, you know, not being focused as much as I was before. I feel like a lot's changed in a good way. So yeah, but you know, I definitely have neglected here on YouTube for a while, and just know that I haven't forgot about it. I just was prioritizing other things at the time, and now I really think I can get YouTube popping. I can definitely get this growing because I'm trying to build the biggest building out there, the biggest skyscraper. And in order to do that, I need places in different areas to be strong as well, like a foundation. I need TikTok to be strong. I need YouTube to be strong. I need my podcast to be strong. I need my Instagram to be strong. I need all these places to be strong to build the biggest foundation so I can build the biggest skyscraper and the biggest building ever. So that's why I guess I'm kind of creating a whole dynasty, because I know many of you all come from TikTok. But I know some of you were on here even before I was kind of big on TikTok. So I appreciate all of you for coming on here. Did like a different style video, kind of storytelling and filmmaking. I also got into photography, 55 to 250 millimeter lens. But it's absolutely massive and has like autofocus and manual focus, just like this camera. This lens is a monster, by the way, that I have on this camera. But so yeah, I did some plane spotting and I uploaded the pictures on my Instagram at TomStanley__. I have like a link down below in the link tree that you can check out everything. So yeah, that's what this video is about. I felt like I needed to create a video kind of just explaining where I've been and what to expect, because I have done a poor job of that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, trying a lot of new things out, and just hang in there. I really do love recording these YouTube videos, even though it doesn't seem like it, but I do. I just go into a lot of work with B-roll and editing it and zoom ins and all these little things that I do on the side. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button for me. It really helps me out, helps the YouTube algorithm and pushing out this video on my channel even more. I want to thank you all for 300 subs. Just this time last year, I had like 80 or 90 subs, and now we have 300 and barely even posted many videos. So we're gonna get that popping real soon. And yeah, I appreciate you for sticking in there, and I will see you in the next video.